Hiding hidden iPhone gesture everyone should know. If you use iPhone all the time to time, then using the keyboard feature is one of the things that you cannot do without. You can see that even by merely tapping on this platform, the keyboard comes up. But sometimes this can be annoying, mainly when you are to send message and the message is under the keyboard. Now, this gesture is very important because it helps you to hide this keyboard. Now, to do this is very easy and simple. So let's try and initiate the keyboard. Tap on message or any other settings on your device that brings out the keyboard. Now, to bring out the keyboard, tap on this iMessage button. Now you can see the keyboard is here. So if I want to hide this keyboard from this place, just swipe down like this. The keyboard is hidden. Now you have access to full screen on your device. This is probably function on any apps on your device. Now here is another one, notes. Then just swipe down like this. The keyboard is disappearing. Now let's try it on apps. Let's go to Facebook and see if it's going to work. Let's tap on this plus button or let's tap on this. Let me initiate this now. I want to see something. The keyboard is out here. So to bring it down, just wipe like this. You can see. So this is a very good feature, guys, on how to. Oh, this is a very good gesture on how to bring out the keyboard and take it back while typing on your iPhone. If you don't get this tip and if you not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.